Here we have a demonstration of my final project, the Snake game. So here we kind of see the setup with my peripheral, the NES controller to the FPGA. So using the 5-pin connector from the NES, we connect to the PMOD port on the FPGA, PMOD port JA. And then here we have the connection between the NES controller and the PMOD. So we have our power, data, latch, pulse, and then ground, the yellow at the top there. And then over here we have the HDMI connection display on the monitor. So with the game, after initial boot up, I got in the habit of doing a reset to return the game to a known state. Sometimes it loads with a glitch or a bug, so resetting it will fix any of that. And then in the middle here we have our snake head, the green square, and then our apple off to the right a little bit. On the FPGA we can see we have 3 LEDs illuminated, corresponding to the number of lives remaining still. So 3 lives. Start. Now as we start moving around, you can use up button, left, right, down, and so forth to kind of manipulate the position of snake. Now if you press the A button, kind of just bring the game to a halt and reset you to a position. And then if you start using the keypad again, it can move around. So if we go over and eat our apple, then we do see the spawn of 1 square for our tail. So as we kind of work our way back over, we see that it just kind of trails us. Eat apple again, and then randomly spawns somewhere else on the grid. So also you have the option to manipulate the game speed. So using the select button, we can increase the pace and then start to return it to its original starting speed.
I'm not gonna blow up.
So if we run into a boundary over here, we'll see that
It's not good practice.
we lose a life. So now we're down to 2 lives, and that we reset to middle.
There's definitely a way of doing this without all these
So
variables.
when we run out of lives, all of the LEDs will light up. Now a known bug with the game is a state where should you happen to simultaneously press 2 of the buttons at the same time, so essentially pressing left and up at the same time will cause the position of the snake head to just move very quickly and potentially make you lose all your lives immediately. So as we saw there, it shot off to the upper left corner, and we see we lost our lives as by the LEDs. And so when I try to move it's done, so the game's over. So if we do another reset, so we can kind of start over again, and then eat the apple and get our little tail back. So nature of the tail being a single square, can't necessarily be killed by it because you don't have an opportunity to run into it. One of the functionalities hopefully to be implemented later on. So that's the demonstration.